What I really liked about it was the more practical side, the fact that we get to shoot for live clients, the fact that we get to shoot with actual real models.
We did a lot of practical work and a lot of technical work, shooting, editing, working within the team.
It is enormous creative community. I've got contacts with many stylists and makeup artists.
These are the kind of things that a professional needs.
I thought that I was already a good photographer, but when I started, oh my God, it's so much to learn.
We also got to work with stylists from the other side of the course, which was good to build a network of other professionals that you may want to work with in the future.
Once you're out there on your own, it's really hard to find people to work with. And once you leave the college, you still have that connection.
That's one of the things that LCS is really, really good at, focusing on the fact that at the end of this, you're going into a business. London Fashion Week was amazing.
I absolutely loved it. It was incredible.
You have a chance to go into the shows, do the backstage photography, get inspired and just meet so many incredible people and just be in that world.
The minute I mentioned that I'm with LCS, people wanted to know what I was doing, wanted to introduce you to other people, and it kind of boosts your confidence.
At the end of the term exhibition, I got a chance to meet some fashion editors, one of which was editor of Boyfriend magazine. Ever since I've been in touch with the magazine and doing some editorials for them. You know, the college prepares you for the industry.
I have had the opportunity to meet with Milk Management, and I'm hoping to do some projects with them in the future.
By the end of the course, I was on a completely different level.
If you want to continue developing yourself and continue working, college will help you even after you graduate.
In terms of talent development, London is the place.